In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is where you can access the tools you need to record different kinds of transactions. Journal entries are typically used for adjustments, corrections, or entries that don't flow through the standard forms, so it's important to enter them carefully. Once you're in QuickBooks, click on Create. This opens the menu where you can start a new transaction. From there, look under the other column and select Journal Entry. That will take you to the Journal Entry screen where you'll build the transaction. At the top of the form, begin by entering the header details. First, choose the journal date. This should match the date you want the entry to affect your books, so take a moment to confirm that it falls in the correct reporting period. Next, enter the journal number if your workflow uses one. This can help keep entries organized and make them easier to reference later. After that, move down to the transaction lines. This is where you'll record the accounts involved in the entry. On each line, select the appropriate account, then enter either a debit or a credit amount. Be sure to place the amount in the correct column, since debits and credits affect accounts differently. If needed, add a description to explain the purpose of the line. This can be very helpful when reviewing the entry later or when someone else needs to understand why it was posted. You can also fill in the name field when it applies. Depending on the transaction, this may be useful for linking the line to a customer, vendor, employee, or another relevant record in QuickBooks. If your entry needs more than 2 lines, use the option to add lines and continue entering the remaining accounts. As you complete the entry, make sure it stays balanced. In other words, your total debits must equal your total credits. QuickBooks will help you identify whether the journal entry is balanced, but it's still a good habit to double check before saving. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent reporting issues later. When everything looks correct, finalize the entry and save it. Before you do, give the form one last review to confirm the date, journal number, accounts, amounts, and descriptions are all accurate. Once saved, the journal entry will be posted to your books. And that's how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online.